And then if we can test up to this line, that is a 42% increase. So I think there's a reasonable chance. All right, welcome to Talking Investing. My name is Tom. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. We're here to talk about all things investing. And today I wanted to talk about Bitcoin and the Bitcoin miners. I have 4 in specific that I want to talk about. And this is kind of an alert. This video is time sensitive because Bitcoin is at a threshold right now where if it can break out, I think it can mean very big things for the miners. I don't know if it's going to break out or not. I just want to show you a key point that it's at. Now, we all know Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a mind of its own. It does its own thing. But I'm looking at a very strong potential for it to break out to the upside, and for the miners that I'm talking about, that could mean a very big movement. So let's look at the Bitcoin chart. So today is Friday, August 20th. It's around 10:30, and Bitcoin just touched $48,000. It's a little bit under that at the moment, but it has basically been going up since the market opened. It's been going up in a straight line from $47,000 to $48,000. So I want to show you why I think that's extremely important. We have tested this $48,000 line, and it has proved as pretty significant resistance several times over the past few weeks, from August 13th to August 14th. So this spot right here, we tested it. Since then, we went down and retested our lows, but now here we are back again. This is today. This is right now. So right now, it is sitting here on this line. In fact, as we're talking, it's at $47,993. So the first thing I would show you is that since we hit our low here in July, we kind of went down and hit this low. We've been trading up and down inside these purple lines, like, here we tested it just right, and here we tested it just right, and then here we tested it just right again. So that line has been tremendous support. By the same token, we've got 2 lines that have been resistance. This seems to be the top of the trading range, and then right here, we have been stuck at 48,000 several times. The 4 Bitcoin miners that I think are the most closely correlated to the movement of Bitcoin are Bitfarms, Hut 8, Marathon, and RIOT. Bitfarms and Hut 8 just recently listed themselves on the NASDAQ, and Marathon and RIOT are actually the 2 much higher market cap stocks, although to me the 4 of those companies are very similar companies. I'm just going to go down the list here and show you. We also have Bit Digital, CleanSpark, SOS, Hive Blockchain, Argo Blockchain, just to name a few. So this conversation in general applies to all the Bitcoin miners. The 4 that I follow are more of a direct correlation to the price of Bitcoin at this time. Again, none of this is financial advice. Bitcoin could do whatever it wants. I don't have a crystal ball. It looks like it's going to break out, but I certainly would not be surprised to find that this is a fake out and we head back down and test support again. But in the event that we do break out here, I'd like to show you what I think it could mean for a few stocks. So let's start with Bitfarms. So you can see since August 6th, Bitfarms has kind of been trading up and down. It did get all the way down to close to $5.40, and then this $6 line it bounced off of, and then it went down again, and it was sitting below that, and today it gapped up over this $6 line, and that is on the price action here on Bitcoin, hanging out at around 48,000. So it looks to me like Bitfarms been trading in a range somewhere between $5.95 here and $7.32 reliably. As an aside, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to never miss a video. The first step that I would say is I think, we could get this right here. However, if we test 48 and we break 48 with Bitcoin, I do think we could go test this line up here at $8.50. So those are not arbitrary numbers. These are places that Bitfarms has already been. So just to put things in perspective, up to this line is a 22% increase. And then if we can test up to this line, that is a 42% increase. So I think there's a reasonable chance that this could run up 42% over the next few trading days. The Hut 8 chart looks very similar to this, so I'm looking at the potential for anywhere from a 20 to a 40% move here on the very short term on these 2 stocks if Bitcoin does what I think it's going to do. And if it doesn't, well, then I guess it won't. So let's take a quick look at the Marathon chart. And again, the same thing here. Marathon found some support down here at $29. It had some resistance here at $33. So it just broke out of the upside of that. So the next significant resistance I see on Marathon is all the way back here on May 3rd, which was at $40. So between these two purple lines, you'll see that's about a 20% move. Now, again, that's just the first part of the move. If we test 51,000 on Bitcoin, then we could go dramatically higher from there. So this is the Marathon chart. Marathon and Riot are trading hand in hand right now. So the Riot chart looks very similar. So I guess what I'm saying is on the 4 stocks that I follow, I think there's a short-term potential for a 20 to 40% move on these stocks. For those of you who follow the Bitcoin mining stocks, it could be a lot more than that. These things are very volatile. So here's my cautionary statement. Super highly volatile stocks. Bitcoin is very volatile. The Bitcoin mining stocks that trade off of it are very volatile. So I don't know what's going to happen. I'm just seeing something here. We are now clearly breaking out. Let's just go back to the Bitcoin chart for just one more minute. So I wanted to show you that just in the time I'm making this video, we're now at 48,600. This is now today's action. And it's still only 10:47 in the morning. So I don't know where this thing is heading. That's why I wanted to do a quick video, get this out to you. And for all of you who are trading the Bitcoin miners, I do a lot of videos on those, so you've probably seen mine in the past. If you haven't, I recommend you take a look at them. So I just wanted to get an alert out because things happen very quickly in Bitcoin, and I just felt waiting until after the end of trading hours was too late for this. Watch Bitcoin over the rest of the day. Watch it over the rest of the weekend. It could take all weekend before it breaks out, or it may fail and go lower. But I think there's a really good chance we're going to run up to 51,000 sometime over this weekend. So if we don't, you can leave in the comments section. This didn't age well. I get it. But again, like I always say, I don't have a crystal ball. I'm just showing you what's happening right now, and there's a potential opportunity here. So the best of luck to everybody, and thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.